Welcome to this episode of Fast Track. I'm Nicole, and today I'm here with Brian Perdue, Senior Product Manager. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Nicole.
So tell us, what new products are you going to introduce to us today?
Well, Nicole, today I'd like to introduce another piece of our puzzle when it comes to our industrial NSF portfolio, the Albeo ABN1 luminaire.
NSF, what does that mean?
The NSF certification was established by the National Sanitation Foundation over 70 years ago. Their mission was to establish strict safety guidelines to ensure all consumers had safe food and beverage products. Products that achieve this certification are ideal for NSF-rated applications such as food processing plants, cold storage, kitchens, and more demanding environments.
That's really great, Brian. What else can the ABN1 do?
The ABN1 comes complete with IP66 and IP69K ratings, NEMA 4X listing, market-leading efficiency, full mounting offerings, a modern lightweight design, and soon-to-be-released full control offerings, all bundled together by a very competitive price point, Nicole.
Wow, that is a lot of information, but I'm curious, what makes the ABN1 different than the other competitors?
Great question. So, Nicole, the ABN1 addresses some of the biggest pain points in the market. Those being, it's easy to clean, thus decreasing the risk of contamination. Industry certified, meeting industrial and government regulations pertaining to food quality and safety. Low maintenance cost by providing market-leading efficiency and competitive long life. And safe, which unlike the ABN1, some lights can cause blinding glares or cast shadows, which can lead to accidents in the workplace.
Brian, thank you so much for joining us today and telling us a little bit more about the new Albeo ABN1 NSF industrial fixture. And as always, Current, powered by GE, offers a wide variety of options to meet all of your application needs. Thank you again for tuning in to this episode of Fast Track. We'll see you next time.